In our country, we have the Constitution. And in the Constitution, it gives guidelines on how the government is supposed to work from the powers that has been delegated by the people. They do not have the sovereign powers. And it's also from there that such bodies like LSK are formed to keep checks and balance to the government. Now, as you've asked me, what are the measures that have been taken? As LSK, our first mandate is to uphold the rule of law. When you're upholding the rule of law, we're reminding the government, the current regime, which is trying to do and act on its draconian acts, that justice is our shield and defender. And it is not a cloistered virtue. And that's why we called upon our young members to go on the streets, pro bono, to live billable hours, so that we help those whom were peacefully assembling to protest and they were arrested, abducted, and taken to police station or detained in places we don't know. We do not have the much capacity to take them to psychological places, but we've been able to partner with other people, with NGOs, with human rights organizations, with psychiatrical facilities, so that we be able to enable them to get such help. Because we are not in normal times anymore. We are in abnormalities. Someone goes to the street to protest, they don't go home, their families are scared, they don't even know where their child has gone to. When you call the phone, no one answers. A good example, the KSL student seated on my left. We got information of where he was found in Moranga. I was the key person to get that information. And it was so unfortunate that he couldn't even comprehend or even want to speak. So it's only God who knows what he went through. And this government does not even care about that. So the measures that you're taking as LSK is you're reminding the government to uphold the rule of law, because justice is not negotiable. Stop abducting people. Why are you hiding them? If you're doing the right thing, you will not be abducting us. You will not be hiding us. You will not be detaining us. You will not be killing us like Denzel. So we are calling upon all wishers, especially these organizations that has such facilities. We've been able to partner with several that are helping them to go through that trauma process so that they may try to get rid out of it. But as we all know, trauma does not end. Something can trigger it at any moment. But our president does not care. He thinks he runs Kenya, and Kenya is not his. We need to remind him, as a Kenyan, he needs to ask himself, what are you doing for your country? And not what the country will do for you. And he's destroying our country. Thank you.